Buddy, I got something to tell you. No.
What's up?
I love you.
I love you too, man.
And I miss you.
You didn't get it?
I mean, you're right there.
Alright, bitch, bye.
That's a big thing.
Don't throw it. You gonna throw it?
I'm a savage motherfucker over here. What's over there?
He's gonna hit himself. He's actually he's gonna miss. Run, bitch, run. Fucking run. Fucking run. I'm serious. Just run.
You can't even turn it on. You gotta hold that shit.
This is redneck fireworks. Oh fire.
What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Bro, it flipped this way.
Hey, as I was running, bro, I went.
What's your cigarette?
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Run. He's still there. Dude, he's dead.
Move.
Ain't that beautiful?
We're making a mess in that dude's yard. Oh, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Dude, that's gonna break that. That's gonna break it.
Oh, let's go, bitch.
No. No. No.
That's cool.
Dude, you broke the AC unit.
Boom, nigga.
Look at how perfect that ice cream is. Look at the perfect thing. Perfect ice cream. Feed it to him. Nah, oh, dude, you put it there with. That's so dirty.
It tasted really good. You should try it. I got you. Give me the camera.
Right here.
Hey.
Right here.
Hey.
Oh.
Yo.
Did your mom cry when you moved out?
Almost.
Really? I'm sorry. How you liking your new place?
Mine did. I was 18.
When you moved out?
It's a good change of pace, but it's
you
more
thrown a
of a
party yet?
stage. No, I'm okay not throwing parties.
Can I throw a party in your
I mean,
place?
it's an apartment.
Depends who goes. Are the bitches hot?
You're the bitch.
I'm okay with that.
Ah!
Moving up in the
Hey,
world.
you have something right here on your face.
On the
It's
other
still there.
side.
On the other side, right here.
Forehead.
Forehead. It's on the head.
Like center forehead.
Where am I going?
Wherever the wind takes you, man. Forward. Always. Ask me anything. I'll
right.
answer in the best way possible.
Let me see what else. Oh, fuck the popo. Yes or no?
Of course. Granted, they're very capable civilians that work, you know, for their police force, but
Why am I a part of this? I'm here now.
I think that's it.
With my friends.
Hey.
Hey! Ralph almost. Ralph.
Right there.
Don't step in the hole, Eli.
That's what she.
Whoa!
You rob this homie real quick.
Okay.
He's robbing you. He's robbing you. Be careful.
your money,
He's
man.
robbing you. Be careful.
Oh, wow. Oh, hold on. Fake gun. Give me your money, man. Damn, dude, it's warm in this car. Fuck, dude, he got me fucked up.
All right, so we just bought a 75-inch TV. I'm trying to mount it, and I got the cheapest usable mount. But look at how tilted it is. Also, look at how it's like barely hanging off of the wall. I think that's gonna fall. It could totally fall. It's like literally touching the wall. Look at that. And then if you try and like lift it, it's pretty heavy. I won't even. You think that'll work? That looks scary. That looks scary as shit. Boom!
You hear that? What is that?
This TV is actually larger than Phil, guys. Just put it down. Okay, I got it. Ready?
You ready?
All right, let go.
Bam, problem solved. Look, it's not touching the wall anymore. I got the perfect angle too.
Oh, yeah, but there's a pillow sticking out under it. Work. Oh, wait. Hard at work for my new apartment / garage This is what it looks like right now. It's pretty dang bad actually. Well, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. The vlog, say what's up.
Hey, what's up, man? It's your boy E. My YouTube is Melanated God King. Y'all can find me there. Look, we take everything is melanated by consciousness, high vibration. You feel me? Not all day long. What's your name?
Elisha.
Elisha. Hey, subscribe to Melanated
You're
God
so
King.
nice.
And
Elisha Diaz.
and Elisha Diaz all day.
Look at the way that we act every other minute, a way to attack many craving.
You need like social media, Phil.
I don't.
What if you become famous off of my vlog? What if everyone's like, oh my god, Phil's so cute. What's his at?